You bought a TRICO rear wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to remove your old wiper blade and install the TRICO rear blade onto a trunnion arm. To remove your old blade, lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go and place your fingers between the underside of the arm and the center of the blade. Grab the top of the blade with your other hand and push the blade down until it disengages from the arm. Now that the old blade is removed, it's time to install your new blade. First, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Then locate adapter H. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Push the adapter forward until it locks into place. Remove the pre-attached adapter on H and discard it. Align the pins in the center of the blade with the grooves on the underside of the wiper arm and press them together. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.